Welcome to English Listening Practice. Today you will listen to a conversation in a restaurant. Listen carefully and try to understand every word. Let's begin.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, we do. It's under the name Anna Silva.
Let me check. Yes, I see your reservation. A table for two, right?
That's correct.
Please follow me. Here is your table. Is this okay for you?
Yes, it's lovely. Thank you.
Nice view, too.
Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink?
I'll have a glass of water, please.
And I'd like a Coke. This place looks really nice.
Yes, I read good reviews online.
What are you thinking of ordering?
Maybe pasta or a salad.
I might try the steak.
Here's your water and Coke. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the chicken pasta.
Great choice. And you?
Grilled steak with fries, please.
How would you like your steak cooked?
Medium, please. So, how was your day?
Busy, but good. I had many meetings.
Same here. I'm glad we came out tonight.
Me too. It's nice to relax.
Here's your chicken pasta and grilled steak. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Wow, this is really good.
Looks delicious. Yeah, my steak is perfect.
We should come here again.
Definitely. We should come again.
Thank you so much for watching this English listening practice video. I hope you learned something new today and improved your listening skills. Remember, the more you listen, the better you understand. Don't forget to replay this video and practice again. If this lesson helped you, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more daily English practice. Tell me in the comments, was this easy or difficult for you? See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep growing.